Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm here from, I don't know why I'm so excited for, like, my midweek is whack. So I need 15 rebates for $1. Like $1, Ibotta. Like, that's all I'm good for. $1? Like, come, like, should be like the front of the class. I should have a chair right next to teacher Ibotta. But I don't. I'm in the back of the class by the trash can. So yeah, I don't know. I honestly was debating whether I should even do it. And I only say that because it's so whack. But then I was like, you know what? I did like 7 of them in my last video. I didn't submit that receipt till today. Because I was like, okay, these 7 need to count for me. I don't know what I'm going to get tomorrow. But hopefully this will help. And if I known it was going to be, 15 for $1, I probably would have just not even waited. But whatever. It is what it is. And so I don't have to do all of them because I'm halfway through already, which is not bad. I am still tracking for the larger bonus as well, which has to do with resolutions or something like that, which is good. This should be relatively easy. There are some good deals. But if you're new here, yes, because I know some of you guys are new. And this is the first time you're seeing this lovely face and you're feeling this energy. If you are new, definitely subscribe. Also make sure that, you smash the like button, help your girl out. Hook up the algorithm, let them know, like, YouTube know your girl is important. Like, I'm important. You watching me every week. I'm important. So definitely right? And of course, make sure your post notifications are on as well as you miss out on the video. So, gonna head over to Walmart, finish up these deals. It's already the afternoon, so I know the stores are gonna be crowded. It's gonna be loud, but we're gonna make you work. Other than that, if you haven't had a chance to like yet, guess what? You still got an opportunity to do that. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of deals we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Fiji water. Now it has to be the 1 liter, which is the one right here, priced at $2.48. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $4.96 and getting back $2.48 on Ibotta. So it makes it $1.24 per bottle, which is definitely not bad. Next up is a deal on the 5 count of the Pillsbury biscuits. They're priced at $1.68. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $3.36, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Shopkick, and 170 points on my points, which is $1.06, bringing them down to only 15 cents each. There's a deal on the Kleenex. Now with this deal, the Shopkick offer, I believe Swagbucks, my points, $1, ta-da. Alexa, it does work on the trial size ones, which are in the trial section for 97 cents. I'm getting back $1, make that 3-cent moneymaker. However, I'm going to go ahead and just grab these. I think it'll be a good item to send Josiah to school with for his class. It's on the 4 count, priced at $6.58. So you want to grab 1 of them, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1 on Shopkick, 170 points on my points, which is 106, bringing them down to only 75 cents per box. Next up is the Palmolive. It's on the 20-ounce, price at $2.82. You want to grab 1, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Shopkick, 170 points on my points, which is 106, making that an 8-cent moneymaker. I'm also going to be grabbing the Ajax, which is down here, price at $2.74. Getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Shopkick, 170 points on my point, which is 106, making that a 32-cent moneymaker. This next deal is on the Lysol laundry sanitizer, priced at $6.97. Getting back $1 on Ibotta, $3 on Shopkick, and $3. Well, I'm gonna do my points, so it's 510 points, which is $3.20. I'm making this a 23-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Suavitel, priced at $4.97, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Shopkick, 255 points on my points, which is 160, making that only 37 cents. Alright guys, so busy over here. So we've gone through these 3 in the basket. Starting with the Irish Spring, this is the 8 count. I did go over this in my video, my last video. It's priced at $5.97, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopkick, 340 points on my points, which is 213, making that a 16-cent moneymaker. Now that did not work for me on Shopkick. I had to put a ticket in, and I believe it went through on my points though. And then the Irish Spring body wash is $4.97, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopkick, 340 points on my points, which is $2.13, making that $1.03 moneymaker. And then the soft soap is priced at $4.97, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopmium, 340 points on my points, which is $2.13, makes that, well, actually this one right here is on clearance. It's $4.44, I want to say. Yeah, this one right here. So it actually makes it $1.56 moneymaker. Okay, next up is the Dove body scrub. They're priced at $7.32. Keep your eyes peeled for this one right here. It's the mango one. On clearance for $6.22. Gonna get back $2 on Ibotta, 3 on Shopmium, 510 points on my points, which is $3.20, making that an 88 money. Alright guys, so this next deal, I'm sorry it's so loud in here, y'all. I've been trying to record in between cries. But on the really big bottles, the other 50 ounce, they're priced at $5.97. You're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta. You'll also get back $2 on Shopmium. I have 340 points on my points, which is $2.13, making that a 16-cent moneymaker. Now, when I was here this morning, I actually found a summer one on clearance for $3.82. Didn't scan for me on Ibotta. I had to request, put a request in for it. It didn't scan on Shopmium either, but it did go through for me on my points. So I had to put tickets in across the board. It should end up being a $2.31 moneymaker. Next up is going to be a deal on the Suave shampoo and conditioner. Some of these are priced at $1.94. Now I already did it on Ibotta last time. It did not reset for me, so I'm going to grab one, getting back $1 on Alexa, and I'll also be getting back $1 on Swagbucks, making this a 6-cent moneymaker. And of course there's the KY, because why not, right? It's priced at $4.68. You're gonna grab one, getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on Alexa, and 510 points on my points, which is $3.20, making it a $4.52 moneymaker. Are you guys tired of this deal yet? Because I'm not. It's on the Colgate battery operated toothbrushes. They are priced at $5.23, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopmium, 340 points on my points, which is $2.13, making this a 90-cent moneymaker. And of course, the Colgate Total. It's priced at $3.96. You want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $7.92, getting back 4 on Ibotta, 2 on Shopmium, 340 points on my points, which is $2.13, making them both free plus a 21-cent moneymaker. All right, so we're in the trial size section, and the next thing up is the Febreze to go. It's priced at $1.97, getting back 2 on Ibotta, making this a 3-cent moneymaker. Now it's available for blah 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 blah. When do I not stutter? It is available for Walmart cash as well. This next deal is on the Clorox wipes on the 9 count. They're priced at $112. You want to grab 4 of them, getting back how much? Getting back 595 points on my points, which is equivalent to $3.74, making them all free plus the $3 moneymaker. I went ahead and did a set here, and then I went to Target. There are only 99 cents there, and did 3 separate sets there as well. Right, so yeah. This next I'm going to grab is on the Mucinex again. It's priced at $7.28. So you want to grab one of these, getting back $2 on Ibotta. Now last video I had 2 separate offers on Shopmium. I did get them both, and I also have 2 separate offers on Alexa as well, so I do expect to get those. Now remember in my last video I had 2 $5 offers on Alexa for, I don't remember, it was a Mega Red, but I did get them both, which was really cool. So I expect to get both of them for this one as well, and then 340 points on my points, which is $2.13, making this an 85-cent moneymaker. Last thing that I grabbed again is on the Preparation H wipes. They're priced at $4.18. Now I don't have this on Swagbucks, My Points Inbox, ta-da, no more, but I'm still gonna grab it anyways because I think it's still a pretty decent deal. So you're gonna grab 2 at $4.18. You end up paying $8.36, getting back 3 on Ibotta and 4 on Alexa, making them only 68 cents each. All right guys, so here's my complete haul for today. So I included everything that I shared with y'all in my last video. Since I did hold that receipt over for Ibotta for today, but literally because my bonus was whack, I could have just did it yesterday. And so this is the soft soap that I found. It was banged up more than that. I was able to pop it out a little bit. I did have to send a request to have it reviewed on Ibotta. It did get accepted. It went through on my points. Actually, I take that back. I have a lot of stuff that's in review on my points. And so that is a review on my points, and I have to put a ticket in as far as Shopmium, but I'm still waiting for the ticket on the bar soap to be resolved first. And so still waiting for $4 extra on Shopmium, and then there's all of the Lysol wipes that we got. And so that was basically it for today, y'all. The only thing I did for Walmart Cash was the extra Febreze. Although I should have did the Palmolive again, I didn't. I could have did actually the Palmolive and the Ajax, so I'll probably do that on my my weekend haul. All right, so everything you see here retails $120.77. My big winner of rebates for this haul was not Ibotta. It was my points at $41.16. Ibotta came in second at $38.49. Shopmium was $25.50. Alexa was $12. I did get back the extra $2 on the Mucinex. Swagbucks and Inbox dollars, Antada, all three were $7. That was just for the Clorox wipes. And then last but not least was $2 from Walmart Cash. So we get back a total of $140.15 in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $19.38 money maker, you guys, which is absolutely amazing. My tax was $10.59. So even after tax, we still make about $8 or $9, which is definitely not bad. I have a question for y'all really quick. So usually I insert all of the screenshots for what I'm actually getting back for the apps, but the last couple videos I haven't been doing that. Do you guys want me to continue to do that, or do you not really care? Because I had stopped doing it because I'll just be trying to get the video up get it done as fast as I can, and I cut that out because if I say I got something back, I got something back. You know what I mean? Like, but I don't know if y'all actually want to see like those extra receipts is what I'm saying. So let me know in the comments. I probably won't add it to this video though. But other than that, Josiah, what's your emoji bug? What? A mountain and a rock, you guys. I know they be random, but it's okay. It's his little thing. That's his little thing. Gonna just let him just be his little kitty self. As long as he's not saying no emojis that are bad, you know? And so, if you got to this point of the video, rocks and mountains in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.